Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to buy your first stock on Robinhood. Step by step, super simple, and no BS. All right, so first, open up the Robinhood app and log into your account. Make sure your account is verified and you've added some funds. You obviously need money in there before you can buy anything. Now at the top, you'll see a search bar. Just tap on it and type the name of the stock you want to buy. For example, let's say you want to invest in Apple. Just type Apple or the ticker symbol AAPL and select it from the list. Once you're on the stocks page, you'll see the current price and a buy button at the bottom. Tap on that. Now this is where you choose how you want to buy. Robinhood lets you either buy by dollar amount or by number of shares. So let's say you only have $20. No problem, just type that in. You don't have to buy a full share. Robinhood supports fractional shares. If you'd rather buy a full number of shares, just switch over to the shares option and enter how many you want. Now here's something important to know. If you're buying during regular market hours, that's 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Time, Robinhood places a market order. That just means it'll buy at the best available price at that moment. But if you're buying before or after those hours, like during extended hours, which are 7 to 9:30 a.m. or 4 to 8 p.m., Robinhood automatically places it as a limit order with a preset price. And if you're buying over-the-counter stocks, those are always placed as limit orders, no matter what time it is. Once you've entered your amount and double-checked everything, just swipe up to confirm the buy. That's it. You've officially bought your first stock on Robinhood. Just keep in mind, the price you see might not be exactly what you pay. The market moves fast, and your order will go through at the best price available when it hits. Also, if you try to buy something when the market's closed and it's not eligible for extended trading, your order will just sit there until the market opens again. And that's pretty much it. Simple and straight to the point. Let me know in the comments what stock you're buying first, or if you want me to make a video on how to sell your stock on Robinhood too. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.